Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is coconut cake and it came out very delicious. Let me show you how I made it. And here are all the ingredients I'll be using. I have some eggs, coconut milk, coconut flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, butter, baking powder, and baking soda. So into my mixing bowl, I'll add in 150 grams of butter and the half cup of sugar. I'm using margarine actually, so you can use butter. I'll then mix or whisk this until it becomes soft. I'm using my electric hand mixer for this, but you can also use a spatula or egg whisk to do it, to mix it or to soften your butter. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. When the butter and sugar is well mixed and becomes soft, I'll then crack in the eggs. I'll be using 5 eggs for this, and I'm going to be adding it one after the other. When I add, I mix it a bit, then add again, beat it, add, mix, and until I added all the eggs I want to add. Gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. After mixing the eggs, I went in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and the half cup of coconut milk. And this coconut milk is homemade. I have a video of how to make coconut milk. Check it in my channel. I'll also leave the link in the description box below. After mixing the wet ingredients, set it aside, and then let's mix the dry ingredients. Into the mixing bowl, I'll go in with 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cup of coconut flour. The coconut flour is also homemade and in my channel. Next, I went in with half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of milk flavor. The milk flavor will give you small flavor also, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You can skip any one you don't like, but all this, the nutmeg and the milk flavor, is a game changer and very tasty in cakes and any pastries. Yep. So after mixing that, we bring back the wet ingredients and then marry the two together. We mix the two together gradually. Don't use force. Just do it gradually, little by little, little by little. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly, each corner dish, each key a spice, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. After mixing everything very well, I added about 1/4 cup of evaporated milk just to loosen my batter a bit. Then we go ahead and mix in this one now very well. Just try and mix it in gradually. Don't over mix your batter. Gentle rhythms hum a tune, a recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Then transfer into my baking pan, which I've already oiled or greased. I use oil to grease the pan. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Next, I transferred this into my preheated oven and baked for about 45 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And here we have our delicious and moist coconut cake. I sprinkled this after I added it in the oven. I sprinkled some coconut flakes on top of the batter after I added it in the oven. I forgot to show you that. I forgot to add it at the beginning, so I had to add it later. And here we have it. Very, very delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try. And all the coconut ingredients I used in making this cake was also made in Treasure Kitchen. I have the video in my channel. Please do check it out. Yep, people are rushing to eat the cake. See you all in our next video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.